Happy morning, I'm Paige, and this is the Happy Kitchen where anyone can be a great cook. And I've got another Breville video coming at you today. I'm super excited for this one. It is very needed. We had a baby last year and we've been very busy. Parent life is very busy, and cleaning and descaling my machine has kind of fallen on the back burner a few too many times. So we're going to get it clean and descaled, but I went online and I found some non-toxic cleaning and descale solution alternative to what I've been using and the normal stuff that you find online. So we're going to test it out today and see if it does the trick, if it still works, because the cleaning tablets that I normally use has SLS in it, and I don't have that anywhere else in the rest of my home. And so I want to try and eliminate it from cleaning this as well, because it's getting into your everyday coffee even in minimal amounts because you're cleaning with it, and so there's going to be residue. Even though we rinse like I've shown in my previous videos, I do have a very in-depth cleaning and descale video, and then a quick how-to. I have both of those, or I'll link those below if that's what you're looking for. Today we're just going to test out the non-toxic alternatives, and I'll go over those. But first I'm going to pour a shot and let you see how terrible it looks, because one, it's been a while, it needs to be cleaned and descaled. That thing's just going, isn't it? But I also have not been excuse me, actively perfecting a shot. This is a caffeination machine currently. So we're going to pour a shot so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll clean and descale and see if it just that made any of a difference. I'm hoping it will, because we haven't really changed what we do, and we're not getting great espresso pours. It's coffee. It works. Let's get started. I'm gonna make my coffee for the afternoon and just drink this, because no need in wasting it. But you can tell there's not a lot of crema. I'm sure the timing's off. All of the things that the people of the internet are gonna tell me. So I'm gonna add some honey and let that dissolve. Top with ice and oat milk, and then we'll get to cleaning. So this is the brand of Descale that I used to use. And this is the brand of the cleaning tablets that I used to use as well. And this one specifically I know contains SLS. And so I found this guy on the internet. And this is PurTru on Amazon. And it is only, where did it go? Distilled water and citric acid. We'll see how it works. So I'm going to use this to descale, and also I'm going to use a little bit of it to clean. But I'm going to use my Branch Basics Oxygen Boost powder, and that's what I'm going to use as a little bit extra on the cleanings to replace the cleaning tablet. I think it's going to work great. Let's get started. I'm having to look at my own video to remember how to clean and descale. It says to pour half of the bottle into a full reservoir, but I'm going to do a quarter into this much because this is the descale line. this one says to run 3 full rinse cycles after you're done descaling. And what we're gonna do is, we did just the one descale and then it does a rinse. We're gonna do a cleaning cycle and then we're gonna do another descale cycle on here to make sure it rinses twice after that as well. Right, I've got my Branch Basics Oxygen Boost here. What I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of that powder in where the cleaning disc would go. We're gonna put just a little bit, just enough, and then we're gonna run our cleaning cycle and see what comes out at the bottom. Alrighty, so we did a descale, we did a clean, and I ran quite a few cycles, and then I rinsed out that gray piece and put it back in and did one cycle to kind of force just water through. I clicked the 2-cup button and just ran some water through, and then I did another descale with just water in the back, since that descale did say to rinse it 3 times, and so that would have rinsed it 3 times. Probably even a little bit overkill, but we did it just to be safe. So now I'm gonna run an espresso shot and see if it looks any different. I feel like it definitely looks better than it did before. It's nowhere near perfect at all. It needs a lot of work. Maybe I can spend a little more time now that it's cleaned and descaled, spend some time on YouTube and watch people who actually know what they're talking about with espresso, and maybe I can get us back to having some decent shots pulled out of here. We have had this machine for a long time now. We both love it. It works great. It's still going strong. I think we've had it for over 4 years now, and we make multiple coffees a day, my husband and I both, so we love this machine. I have a few other videos that I will link down below with regards to the Breville Bambino Plus, if you'd like to check those out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any Breville video requests, you can leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.